How to create half-tone intense line effects such as this in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Super quick. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. Hold down the Shift and drag and create a square. You can fill it with anything. I'm just going to fill it with a gradient. So gradient, and the gradient is very useful because it creates a bit of slight texture to the later design. So I'm just going to select, say this one. You could use any gradient. Once you've done that, go up here to layer, and you need to turn it into a pixel layer. So layer and rasterize. And also what I would suggest, just go up here and select the rectangular marquee tool. Instead of just creating a selection from this, sometimes that creates fine lines. Don't know why. So I quite often just create a selection like that. So it's not exactly the whole thing. Then go to layer and new pattern layer from selection. And with that, you can see you've got that design. Now, of course, the design you have will be different from this. Then go to the move tool and then go to mirror and turn that on. And you should have, hopefully, a lovely seamless design with no white lines or any seams appearing. Then just resize it. And you can rotate it, distort it in all kinds of different ways. But what you can also do is now with that selected, you can go to filters and down to colors and halftone. By default, it's this very colourful design, which is not what I want. What I want is this one. So halftone, go here, screen, and go to line. And you can see it's a lovely line effect. Well, what you can then do is change the cell size. I'm just going to decrease it, maybe about there, I'd say. And also you can change the screen angle, so you can rotate it around, so maybe make it 330, and you can create all kinds of different line designs, or maybe 45. And you can modify the contrast, or just leave it about there. And then click apply. And the result should be like this. Sometimes when you apply it, it doesn't. It just converts it. Doesn't seem to always make the greatest result. But now with these lines, what you can now do is apply other effects. So with the layer selected, go to filters and down to distort and mirror. And in mirror, you can vary the number of mirrors. So you can go for a number of mirrors, 1, or maybe go for 2. You can also change your input, and you can see as you rotate that around, and you don't have to go just 45. You can hold down the Alt Option key and also just vary it so it can change any angle. You also, again, increase the number of mirrors. Also, you can change your origin position. So you can just move it around, reposition it, and create all kinds of unique designs. Maybe something like that. Lovely black and white, intense design. And then click apply. You can, of course, repeat that filter. So filters and repeat mirror, and sometimes create even more unusual designs. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.